You clicked on this video so you could know how to dress for the fall. Celebrities or people that you follow on the gram and consider best dress or high fashion, follow all these tips and tricks that I'm about to give you. Follow all these tips and tricks and stay tuned to the end of the video so you could be one of the best dressed people for the fall. Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Too hard and stand too close, you gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, going out and shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get mad. Too hard and stand too close, you gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, going out.
As you can see by the title, I give y'all tips and tricks how to style outfits in the fall, how to layer, what you need, your essentials, all of that good stuff. Fall is where you see the best dressed people show out. You know what I'm talking about? I feel like in all seasons, the people that you consider best dressed should be showing out in every season. But fall is where like the fashion people come out. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, I'm really excited to give y'all these tips and tricks so you can be one of them. Okay, you could be one of them this year. Before we get into this video, please make sure you're subscribed, have your post notifications on, share this video to your friends, follow me on the gram, and now we can get into this video. Looking at my phone because I wrote things down in my notes. First tip that I have for you to get fly for the fall is you need basic wardrobe essentials. I'm talking about black turtleneck, white turtleneck, brown turtleneck. For girls, bodysuits. I mean, no black, brown, neutral colors, no pink, no none of that. No bright colors. We're gonna stick to the basic wardrobe essentials. You need that in your closet so you can build up from that. The next thing that you need is basic sneakers, shoes. I love heels, so I do get like heel boots. And what I mean by basic, neutral colors, black, brown, gray, all time. That's really what it's about. And not even only that, you should just have that in your closet because it's basic. You need your basic essentials first before you get your statement pieces. I recently just bought a pair of Dr. Martens. I know I'm gonna be wearing them Dr. Martens. And then I have a brown heel boots, which are so freaking cute, y'all. And I can't wait to wear them. So boots, sneakers. I know people wear like the New Balances. The next tip that I got for y'all, basic jewelry. Gold just fits for the fall. Gold paired with like brown is just like, oh my gosh, it's so freaking beautiful. Regular gold necklace, chain necklace. You know, I got a gold ring on. I don't even know where I got this from, but it's whatever. Rings, earrings. Some people are not an earring. Some people don't even like jewelry, but I just feel as if jewelry will just spice it up. You know, it don't gotta be too much. Now, this is the part that y'all been waiting for, okay? So we got all the basic stuff out the way, the basic essentials for the wardrobe, basic essentials for your shoes, sneakers, basic essentials for your jewelry, all of that. Now we get into what makes the outfit, the statement piece. For your statement pieces, basically just like building up your outfit. If you don't know what a statement piece is the piece that pops out your outfit. Okay, it's a statement. So when somebody first look at you, they're gonna see that. I tend to stick to the neutral colors when it comes to fall. In the summertime, I wear like a lot of bright colors, but I will wear some bright colors in the fall, maybe like bright orange or something like that. You know, still gonna be giving fall. My statement pieces, this is just me. I don't go to the mall for my statement pieces. I don't do none of that. All my statement pieces I get online. I find all them websites on TikTok or sometimes on Instagram because I do shop a lot. So Instagram, when I be swiping on people's stories, you know, them ads be popping up. Yeah, be looking at that stuff. I have a couple of outfits which I'm gonna show y'all on my Instagram last year fall, because fall is just beginning. Fall technically starts September 23rd. So we're gonna click on this outfit. This outfit right here, you see I started off with a basic essential, which I forgot to mention, button-ups. Yeah, I need to buy me a new white button-up, y'all, because I lost my white button-up, but I have every other color. I just need to buy a new white one. I want a black one, and then I need to find a brown one. I don't have a brown button up, but yeah. Alright, so this outfit right here, you see I started off with a basic essential, a basic wardrobe essential, which is the white shirt. And then if you zoom in, I have like a black like tank on. That's basic too. A black tank on, and then I put the white shirt on the side, son. You see. And then the skirt is the statement piece. The skirt is a statement piece. And then I included the brown. Y'all know I'm really good with playing with the color wheel. So I included the brown boots. The brown boots goes with the brown top I bag. So also if you zoom in, your girl got glasses on. So that's the accessories. I feel like that's basic accessories. You don't have to wear glasses, but I just feel as if the glasses really match the outfit. And yeah, it's giving very much like preppy, but like sexy preppy. I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like that's what it's giving. But yeah, let's go on another outfit on my page. This one right here, basic essential. You see the basic essential, you gotta start off with that. The basic essential, which is the cream turtleneck. That is cream, y'all. It's not white, it's cream. Then you got the gold necklace, okay? The gold stacked up layer necklace, that's basic too. Then the statement piece for this outfit is the heels. The heels is the statement piece. Also the skirt can be the statement piece too, but the heels is really the statement piece because it's the puffer heels. You know, like, yeah. I feel like this whole outfit right here is very iconic. Like, it's giving fall, the olive green, the cream. The cream goes with the cream boots goes with the cream goes with the cream turtleneck. And then I popped out the black because my hair is black. Yeah, I know y'all didn't peep that. But my hair is black, so I popped out the black, you know, and black goes with everything. And then my green glasses, the green shades goes with the green skirt. So you gotta start off with your basic stuff and then statement pieces. And yes. So I think you understand what I mean by like statement piece. Statement piece is basically what pops out your outfit, but you gotta start off with your basic wardrobe essentials. Like, you gotta start off with the basic stuff and then build up. So when you walk past someone, they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I like this, that, and the third. The statement piece, you know. Or they're gonna say, I like your outfit because you started with the basic and then you went down. That's how it goes. That's how you have to do it. You can't start off with a statement piece and then next thing you know, you try to do another statement piece. It's gonna be all looking like tacky, like you're trying too hard. You don't want to try too hard. You don't want to give off you're trying too hard. You just want to do it really effortlessly. This goes into layering. So for when I layer, I wear like tights under my stuff. I like to layer a lot. As you can see, I kind of like layered here. It's not too much. Sweater vest, and then popped it out with a brown. You know, I think it looks good because of my hair, with the color of my hair. I try to make things look good with the hairstyle that I have, and then my brown glasses and gold. I feel like layering is the same thing for when it comes to building an outfit just in general for the fall. Basic stuff, and then you build up from there. Statement piece, the trench coat, just for layering in general. I really hope I went in depth enough about how to get fly for the fall and how to layer. Hopefully I did. If I didn't, y'all, like, I don't know. If I didn't, and if y'all have any questions, y'all can comment it down below, or y'all can text me on Instagram at dripcess._, DRIPCESS._. And I really hope y'all enjoyed this video of me giving y'all tips and tricks on how to style a bomb outfit in the fall, so you can be one of the best dressed people in the fall too. Okay, maybe last year fall wasn't your year, you know, but this year fall finna be your year. Okay, okay, you know I got y'all. Okay, I want to see everybody win. So like I said, if you're not already, please make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, have your post notifications on, and make sure you follow me on socials too, so you can get all the updates of what I'm gonna do, what's the next video idea, because I have ideas in my mind that I want to do, and I need y'all to go follow me on Instagram so y'all can participate in it. Okay, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Wait, hold on, that's not even my outro. And I'll see you in the next YouTube video.